Good afternoon everybody, this is it. It's arrived at home, the Farmall Model A. It works out to be a 1939 model. Doesn't have any of the extras. There's no PTO, there's no belt pulley, no electric start, absolutely nothing. Now, as you can tell by this, cylinder head is removed. Cylinder head is removed by the previous owner. It was reportedly a runner. Got left outside, no cover on exhaust, same old story. That happens. So it's seized up, won't turn over. So I've just brought it home today. Next bit of work intended is to free it up, see if we can get it free without destroying anything. If not, we're gonna have to get some pistons, but I'm hoping we can do a job of freeing it up. It's got a Lucas mag on. That is I think it's an SR4. Supposedly it's been done up before, but you know what these tails are like. Sump's removed. It does look fairly clean under there. There's no signs of any traces of water or corrosion. Manifold and everything has been taken off with the head complete. Now one of the valves is stuck down. I've not yet to look to see what it is. But you see there, that one there stuck open, it's proud. So with any luck, we'll be able to clean this up, relap the valves in, and we should be okay. All the rest of the bits are in here, the air cleaner, the sump, the rocker box, the rockers, push rods. But tin work on it is pretty good. All nice and sound, there's no heavy corrosion, no dents. The bonnet itself, it's not in bad nick, it'll straighten out. Grill, again, just a little bit of work, but it's not bad. Badges are still there, that's the main thing. Tyres, yeah, they're round, they're black, they've got tread on. We'll probably go again. All brakes and clutch and everything seems to be operating nice. Steering's nice and free. There's no major problems going on there. Looks a bit of a grease up, but other than that, it's pretty good. Wings, like I say, nice and solid, not rotten, in good condition. It's got its drawbar on. As I say, it's blanked off at the back there, no PTO on it. Seats, fairly good. She wants a new sponge, the base of it's good. So, further updates will come later on today, because I'm hoping by end of play today, we're going to have this turning over. That's the theory. Right, so stay tuned guys, we'll see what we can do. Don't forget, like and subscribe, because if you don't subscribe and hit the bell, you're going to miss out on updates of this. And this is going to be videoed all the way through. We're going to be doing updates as we go, and I'll update plenty of photos and stills as I go along. Cheers guys.